CS UKARIA bwande nena wathani ba matora Professor KINDIKI na ugite ndo ya thirikari na NCHOOBI nitite na mbere nera thirikari iri na mubango jo kweberia ethanol kiri uthondeki bwa NCHOOBI ni utwiririkana niretagwo gwatikiri miri antu Rita Mwaniki na kurikithia.
Thirikari nene iri na mubango wa gukathika mawatho marumu makurigiriria utumiri wa ithano thiini wa uthondeki wa njovi. Ino ni kuona ithano yatumika kuthondeka njovi nitwikaga ugwati kuri ugima wa mwiri wa aria maramenyua. Ino ni miario ya Minister wa Interior bururi niwe Kithure Kindiki ari mwena wa tauni ya Embu kuria arauga mbara ya kuvurana na njovi cia ivango miena ngurani ya bururi ni thiete na mbere kunyita mwaki.
We have directed that ethanol be denatured so that it becomes impossible for it to be diverted to distilleries. It can only be used for industrial use and not for alcoholic beverages.
Goku akiugaga marua monthe ni makanje makambuni iria irathondeka njovi ino na ni gukorwa ikithuthurwa uceru mbere ya macokeretwe marua ciao.
We have suspended all the licenses of second generation manufacturers of alcohol. We are vetting them. We will be announcing in 2 weeks' time a new measures of how many of them will be licensed again, depending on passing the threshold for quality control and public health and safety concerns.
Ekinai aria marethirwa makiendagia njovi ino cia ivango na ndawa ciingi cia kulevya makigwatagwa akivesaga mukana aria engi makwithirwa biashara ari ino ati ni magukora magiocerwa makinya mavio makiwatho.
We've made some progress. We've arrested, seized over 300 rolls of bang. We have also arrested over 100 people, and 44 of them have already been taken to court. They are at various stages of prosecution. The others, we are completing investigations and will be charging them in due course. We have also intercepted illicit alcohol, and we have closed down 296 establishments.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musi.